I was having a look at my honeyberries here. I'm really fascinated by them. It's my first year having them and I've never seen anything like them. They're so unusual. And so I looked into how they actually develop these little berries. And it turns out that they're two little flowers. They're usually really close to each other. That's how they sort of grow. And so they both get pollinated at the same time. And then they start forming into this berry. And as you can probably see in this one here, both of them, they are growing with this sort of outer skin, I suppose it's called, sort of growing over them, and eventually the flower petals will drop off and it will just be an outer, sort of a round green berry. And as it sort of ripens into blue, the berries inside that sort of outer skin will split apart into two separate berries, into those two individual flowers they were originally, and there'll be two sort of twins. And that's how all these berries grow. So if we look at some other ones that are further along, they haven't got the flower bits attached to them. You can look over here. And that one, you can see that has two distinct sort of black dots, and that's where the flower bits were, and they sort of fell off onto the ground. So all of them are essentially twins, all these little beautiful berries. Really, really interesting. I've never seen any berries that grow this way. So interesting, but really fun. And it's my first year, as I said, having these, so really enjoying it. And I'm hoping to get a few berries. I know they obviously grow lots in the first few years, and then they start having really good production. So really, really looking forward to this. But they're growing nicely. I found a good little space for this one. This is my 5th bush, and he is a Boreal Beauty. I've heard lots of good things about this cultivar, so I hope he'll do well here. I've got a nice little area for him, and the main thing is to keep him clear from any sort of all this grass around here. Make sure it doesn't get encroached upon the plant, because they're very hungry and they want to have lots of space. But it's a good sunny position, and that's the main thing. And there's some pollinators really nearby, because I've tried to put them sort of near each other. So really hopeful, and it's so exciting to learn new things about these wonderful plants.